Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Fidelity Investments, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with Fidelity Investments, visit the Fidelity website or open the Fidelity mobile app. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab on the main page. Here, you will find an overview of your investment accounts and balances. Select the account you wish to budget for. Next, look for the Insights or Planning section. In this area, you can access budgeting tools and resources. Choose the budgeting tool that best fits your needs, like budgeting and spending. Begin by entering your total income, including all sources. Next, input your fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Add any variable expenses, such as groceries, entertainment, and personal spending. Review the budget suggestions provided based on your income and expenses. Make adjustments to ensure your budget reflects your personal financial goals. Take advantage of any alerts or reminders Fidelity offers to stay on track. Once your budget is set, monitor it regularly to ensure you are adhering to your plan. Explore any investment options Fidelity may recommend to help grow your savings. Consider utilizing automatic transfers to a high-interest savings account for easier savings management. Finally, revisit your budget periodically to adjust for changes in income or expenses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.